How to fix Xbox app error 0xc00C3A in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Keeping your system and applications up to date is crucial for ensuring compatibility and functionality. Updates often include patches for bugs that could be causing the error. Type wsreset.exe in the Windows search bar and press Enter. The pop-up window will close soon, and the Windows Store should reopen. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, type Services in Windows Search and hit Enter. Under Startup type, select Automatic from the drop-down menu. Click Start, Apply, and OK. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open PowerShell as administrator. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, after uninstall, restart your computer. Next, install gaming services from the Microsoft Store. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.